We want something that's unique. We wanted something, when people come in, they've not seen anything like it. The kitchen was kind of outdated, and we quickly identified some inadequacies. At some point, we realized we wanted to renovate the whole place, and so we started looking around for different contractors. We interviewed a number of them, and so we finally interviewed Golden View, and everything just clicked. They weren't intimidated by the challenges that were being presented, and so it just kind of worked out. Other contractors and project management companies weren't really entertaining our vision. So we had a very clear design we wanted to implement, and they were willing to work with us. And the idea here is that this idea that something is flowing off of the cooktop. And so that was one of the inspirations I gave to Fireclay and to Cell.
In this unique remodel project, we've captured our clients' vibrant and creative spirits, transforming the kitchen into expressive spaces that truly reflect their bold and open-minded nature.
Shirley and I, we have our own little kind of design aesthetics, and some of it's just fun, you know. The bathroom, we ended up making this kind of like a little serene, kind of like you're in the woods. And so it's got a little bit of a rustic feel to it. The idea that you're kind of sitting in the woods, if you will, in the bathroom. I think it turned out quite nice.
The powder room is that moody space, resembling a whimsical forest, and that invites the intrigue and creativity to the space.
Some of the other companies were trying to dissuade us from doing certain designs based on their limitations. Some of the things we needed to do as far as moving plumbing and gas lines was going to be challenging, but we did not want to ruin our radiant floor system by piercing that. So we had to bring in specialists to scan the floors with different technologies, including a thermal technology that ultimately mapping out where all the water lines are. So these are all very significant challenges for the team, but they didn't flinch. Every time there was some unexpected thing, like having to drill through concrete, but they're also good at what they do. And they're amenable and easy to work with. These are really hard to get all of the combination of these things in one package. They gave us the confidence that there was pretty much no challenge that couldn't be overcome. And they really pulled it off. We have plans for other renovations we would like to do in the unit, and we'll absolutely be calling Golden View for that. And we've already recommended Golden View to other people as well. So 100%, if anybody can use Golden View, that's who we recommend.